Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin, and I will be decorating for the week of October 3rd through 9th using my spooky florals. And these are coming to my shop on Friday, October 7th. There's the circles, the paint swatches, and I say quote and washi, but I already used the quote in my Hobonichi weeks. Let's get started. First thing I am going to do is put some washi across the top. And I'm going to just use my, say, regular old grid washi, but I love grid washi. It helps to keep things neutral. There we go. Let's move this over a bit. And I'm actually filming this on Sunday, the day after I got back from the Planners Gonna Plan conference. And I'm still running on a high from that. And that's not straight. But what I loved about the conference really was just the meeting of people, just meeting people. I know that there's people who, like my posts and comment on my videos and things, but to actually meet you in person and to see your face and just to see people in person after how many years of not being able to see people in person. I'm ripping my own sticker. Hold on. But yeah, there was something about just meeting people again and being able to have conversations with them outside of, outside of Instagram, outside of YouTube. To me, that was the amazing thing, was to actually have conversations about, that were in real time rather than waiting for somebody to reply over Instagram. And there we go. Because there's something to be said about having like an in-person real life conversation. And I mean, I love all of the conversations that I do have over Instagram and the comments over YouTube and everything like that. But the thing with the conference was actually meeting people in person. So that was my favorite part of the conference. And while I got a ton of stuff, like a ton of stuff, that's not what I went to the conference for. I went to the conference to meet other people who would chat about planners all day long with me. So I'm going to place one of these with a circle, maybe down at the bottom, a purple circle with a smaller flower. So I do want to save some of these for my journal. And there we go. Okay, so then that part is mostly done. I just have that on here. That part is mostly done. I'm going to go ahead and work on my sidebar. So going down my sidebar, I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and brush letter in the word sleep and place one of my spooky florals paint swatches over top. And then using my fountain pen, this is actually a new fountain pen from the Angel Shop that I got at the Planners Gonna Plan conference. I draw out my graph for sleep. Gosh, that was a hard sentence to say. And my sleep has been so bad this last week leading up to the conference. I think a lot of it was excitement and nervousness and anxiety. I'm hoping that my sleep kind of calms itself down over the next week. And then underneath that, I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen again to write out the words workout and place another paint swatch on top, and then write out my schedule for the week of workouts. And this last week, I've just been kind of doing steps, not really doing any workout theme, but this week I plan to get right back into it. Now moving to the bottom of the spread, I will go ahead and write out the word meals Monday through Sunday, and then place one of the spooky florals paint swatches on top of each of those words. And I love that it creates this header without needing to use the exact color Tombow dual brush pen. Well, I love those. We don't have all of the colors that Tombow has ever made, And if you do have them, please let me know down below. But I like creating these paint swatches because it makes it so much easier to match everything in a collection. And then underneath that is where I keep track of my breakfast, lunches, and dinners. Now that I've done that, I can go into every day, so Monday through Friday, and write in the word work and cover that again with a spooky floral paint swatch, and then draw out my shifts using my fountain pen. I could basically say that the spread is done because I mean my basics of the week are in here, and I'm actually really loving writing with this. But now I'm going to go into each and every day and add in my things to do, etc. And I'm going to use, I'm debating whether to use this at all in the spread or just to keep it black, because this currently has Colorverse High Basu glistening, so it shimmers. And the other pen that was going to go along with this week would have been Caramel Sparkle, but I think I'm going to save that for the journaling spreads and use this in the week as well. So let's see. For Monday, oh, look, they even kind of match. Wow, that wasn't planned. Okay, so my to-do list for, oh, look at that purple. Matches so well. I have to meal plan and order groceries. And then take out garbage. And then we pick up grocery. Well, my husband picks up groceries from 6 to 6:30. Hold on. It's like, why am I not using my cutie patootie emojis for these? So let's see. There's no room now for that one, but I can make room for grocery emojis because they're cute. And I think Paper Bits Co. has a cute one. Yeah, let's do Coffee Monsters Co. here. And yeah, so my husband will pick up groceries from 6 to 6:30. Yeah, I think I'm just going to keep the ink in this one to the black and purple and then save the caramel sparkle for the journaling. Then Friday, I have Weight Watchers. So 2 o'clock at Sherwood Park. And then that is also when I will need to film my weeks and cousin. And then the weekend is a little busy. I don't know if Henry has wall climbing. I don't think he does, but I need to double check. I'll do that right now, actually, double check. So there is no wall climbing on the 8th because it is Thanksgiving weekend. So it is just my appointments, which I put on a Post-it, which I thought I put on my wrist and is now gone. Oh my God. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it had just fallen. Okay, so I have a few things on the Saturday. So I've got a massage. And then after that, I have an eye exam. Yeah, I've been getting headaches a lot recently, and I thought maybe I really should get my eyes rechecked. It's been a few years. And then we have Thanksgiving dinner at my sister's house that evening, so I'm going to pull out a sticker for that, which also means that I won't be doing laundry that day, but it's a long weekend, so I have extra time to do it. I say extra time, but it's just, you know what I mean. It's also that Friday is when my new releases come out. So, you know what? I will write that down. But it comes out at 9 o'clock. I don't want to do this. I think I'm going to find a different way to write it in. Then, what am I doing? Family dinner. I have a sticker somewhere with a whole bunch of family eating together at a table, and I love that sticker. Although my family, there's 11 of us. 11 of us, yeah. So I think we have to be there at around like 4 or 5. Oh, I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving dinner at my sister's house. So, okay, Thanksgiving dinner at Tilly's. Oh, so fun. Okay, and then Sunday, Henry won't have Ninja because it is Thanksgiving weekend, so they basically cancel all the classes on a holiday weekend. So that day will be cleaning. And let's put that to the side here. So let's find a good cleaning sticker. It's a cleaning day, but it's also the day that I will be fulfilling orders from the new releases on the Friday. Oh, here we go. Love her. So which one? Let's do a big one. Let's start from here. Yeah. And it's, I guess, it's going to be a big cleaning day because I'm going to say that Saturday is more like a relaxed day. Ooh, oh. Sorry, just messing with my pen here. Okay. So it'll be bed linens. And then I have to do the bathrooms and the kitchen cabinets and appliances. My husband has to do the vacuuming and the windows. And then there's the dusting, which I try and make Henry do. And then he gets all the garbages. And then my daughter does all the switches and door handles. But I also think it's the day that we do the doors and baseboards. It's a big cleaning day. The doors and baseboards we do once a month. And then once that is done, later on in the evening, I will be doing laundry. And we'll make it a movie night while I fold laundry as well. But then Monday, holiday Monday, which you won't see on this week's spread, will also be a day to work on orders. Fold laundry. Love that. Cool. All right. So those are the main things that are happening this week. And once I have that down, then I can add a little bit more decoration. Yeah, I can add a little bit more decoration. So I'm thinking maybe add a circle down here. Oh, I like the black circle with a floral. I like that. I want to keep it pretty simple because I feel like it's going to be really colorful with the purple ink in there and the shimmer. And it looks like the shimmer is being a little bit problematic in this pen, but we'll see how it goes. All right. I say basic, but I love the way that the colors look, the purple and the orange and the black together. It'll look really cool once it's all filled in. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about this spread, please let me know. Once again, this collection is coming out in my shop on Friday, October 7th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and you can use the code SPOOKY15 for 15% off the order, and that sale will run until the Monday, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.